In this video, we'll explore what a concurrent call is and how it works in Easify. To begin, let's add some contacts to the automated calling list. Head over to the Contacts page to get started. Select the contact group you want to add to the automated calling list. Then select Add to Automated Call from the drop-down menu. Now, in the navigation bar, click on Calls, then select Automated Calling. Then click on Start Call in the top right-hand corner. In the Call Mode selection pop-up, you can see an extra option called Concurrent Calls, in addition to the usual single calls. Now, click Select and Continue. In the Configure Concurrent Call pop-up, enter the number of people that you would like to call at the same time, and select the number you would like to call from. Let's include a welcome note as an MP3 file for recipients who answer the call while the agent is engaged with another recipient. Verify the details and click the Start Call button. Because we decided to call 4 people at once, we can see 4 different calls on screen with ringing status. The initial person to pick up the call will be directly linked to the agent, and the status will update to Active Call. Users who answer subsequently will hear the welcome message and be labeled as User Waiting. All details and controls for the Active Call will be available in the Active Call panel. Once you have finished with the first user, you can end the call by clicking the Hang Up button in the same panel, allowing for a seamless transition to the next waiting user. Continue this process until all users in the queue have been attended to. After completing all the calls, a call summary pop-up will appear. You can add a note if desired, then click Continue to move on to the next batch. That's everything you need to know about the new concurrent calling feature in Easify. Thank you for watching.